Network Entertainment.
Ayun, welcome na naman sa panibagong episode ng The Red Door Podcast PH.
At ayun na nga. At dahil Sabado ngayon,
Linggo
Linggo na ba?
Linggo.
Hindi, sorry na nag-glitch in the matrix ako. Bigla akong parang na-astral eme. So dahil Linggo ngayon, meron tayong dalawang special guest. So obvious naman, nakikita naman nila ngayon. Ito yung nire-request nila. And since nandito pa rin tayo sa Big Baby Studios, kasama pa rin natin si Antoinette. And siya yung magiging co-host namin ngayon.
Antoinette from Grimcast Manila.
Hi, I will try.
Siguro naman after a week, kasi last week, di ba, sinabi namin na makinig kayo sa Grimcast Manila. I'm sure most of you have listened to their podcast. I-check namin kasi kung hindi na kami mag-episode ulit.
Ayaw na. Matampuhin din talaga akong tao eh.
Ayun. Siyempre, ito. Kilala niyo na ito, hindi na kailangan ng introduction kasi ito yung isa sa mga episode natin na ang daming nag-comment. Pero hindi tungkol sa amin.
Tungkol sa kanya.
Oo. Ayan, andito si Prey Kapanan.
From Beyond Senses PH.
Hello.
Ayan.
Anong comment? Kinabahan ako dun.
Hindi, may reason kasi kung bakit din namin naisipan na magkaroon ng part 2 with Prey, since maraming ang kwento si Prey doon sa may first episode na parang naputol. Pagpasensyahan nyo na since hindi pa kami masyadong sanay sa ganong setup na meron kaming guest. Sanay kami ni Tito Ian na dalawa lang kami nag-uusap and ayun nga, marami mga add-ons. Kahit si Antoinette, danas din yun.
It was fine. Don't worry.
Ayun,
actually, gusto ko yung mga gusto ko kung paano siya magkwento kasi
Bakit? Kasi sabaw?
hindi, kasi natakot ako na hindi, kasi kwento niya dito din eh.
Kita nyo naman dun sa may previous episode, di ba? Kung gaano ako parang hindi ako si Tito James nung time na yun eh. Parang natameme na...
Yeah, I stressed you out. I'm sorry.
Hindi, okay lang. That was a good episode. So, ayun ngayon. Ano nga ba yung mga...
Last time kasi parang napag-usapan natin na marami kasing stories si Antoinette na parang narinig na rin natin kay Prey. Kaya sabi ko, if possible kaya, pwede kayong pagtagpuin silang dalawa. And then, boom, ito, nangyari na.
This is by design.
So,
Galing.
itong episode na to ay Jigsaw Moment episode.
Correct.
Pero, hindi mo si Jigsaw yung
sorry.
yung parang sa social,
Yeah,
diba?
Billy the Puppet.
Yeah, with the... Okay.
Actually, ayun, nakalimutan pala naming i-share sa'yo. Kasi yung Jigsaw Moment is parang namin siya, inside joke.
Okay.
Within sa community. Na ang ibig sabihin nun is may nangyaring something na parang na mind F kami.
Mind F.
Okay, kasi kanina pa ako parang Jigsaw Moment. Like the puppet guy.
Kasi di ba Saw is known lalo na dun sa mga reveal part sa dulo. Yung nagpe-play na yung doon yung part na parang Jigsaw Moment kasi parang lahat
nag-fit na together.
Na.
Okay.
Yeah,
Understood.
Magkakaroon ng recap. Ikaw ba, Pre, napanood mo na yung Saw?
Yes.
So nakita mo na yung Saw? Ay, ito na naman ako. Ano ba yan? Bakit ko na naman ba inuumpisahan?
Yeah,
Sorry.
I remember.
Sorry.
I actually haven't seen it. Yeah.
What?
Hindi ko pa siya napapanood.
Ano ba? You're not into gore ba?
Sakto lang. Pero yung gore na gusto ko yung parang yung B-movie gore na sobrang parang alam mo yung sobrang slightly slapstick na siya.
Campy.
Super campy. Yun yung gore na gusto ko. Pero yung gore for gore's sake, medyo hindi ako fan.
Parang
alam mo,
naalala ko nga last time.
Alam mo halatang favorite ni Antoinette yung mga campy na movies.
Kasi sa Cabin in the Woods.
Ano bang ginagawa nila doon?
Oo, nagka-camping.
Oo, di ba? Okay. Ikaw, Pre, anong subgenre yung gusto mo?
Mga psychological horror.
Ooh.
Like, for example,
Anong favorite mo na psychological horror?
Yun yung naisip ko, tapos pa sasabihin ko. Well, pagbibigay nila ako mga movies na gusto ko. First, Conjuring, Insidious. I like it kasi nakaka-relate ako. For example, with Conjuring, I told myself na, okay, matagal na pala nangyayari to. Hindi lang sa akin.
No, shoot.
Yep. And also in Seduce. Kasi di ba may astral projection.
Oh, yeah.
Yung kay Josh.
Yes. When I saw it, I was like, okay. Hindi ako baliw.
Yeah.
It's also happening then
To other
others.
people.
Even if it's like fiction lang. For me,
Nakaka-validate
yeah,
ang
it's still
experience.
validation.
Grabe din yung na-experience ko ngayon. First time ko itong four-way na parang hindi ko na Pares ba tayo nung nararamdaman na parang
Relax. We're just chilling.
Ganun. Hindi ko na
Oo
maintindihan.
nga, first time ba to?
First
time
time to.
ever na
Ay,
dalawa.
na four
yung-
people.
oo.
Nangyari na rin pala ito sa previous episode namin
Stanley.
with The Book of Bad.
Ay, oo. Tsaka Book of
Ideas.
Bad Ideas tsaka kay Stanley Chi.
Kung hindi nyo pa yung napapanood, panoorin nyo yun.
May question ako.
Ano
Ano?
yun?
Paano pag lingon mo 5 na tayo?
Woohoo!
Okay,
I
next
mean,
topic
that's not
po.
impossible here.
Yeah. Okay, I will not talk. I will not talk.
shoot! Okay, no. Maybe we'll see.
Okay,
Okay, go.
Pre, i-change topic mo na pag naganyan na sila.
Okay, sorry.
Bakit ko ba naisipan? Ba't ba natin naisipan to? Na alam mo yung natatakot na nga tayo. Tapos yung nandito pa tayo sa isang lugar. Kung saan base nga kay Antoinette is meron. Tapos andito din si Prey na nakakakita, 'di ba? Sobrang
I'm kind of curious. Kasi dun sa previous episode namin, nakwento ko na sa kanila yung what we know in the house. But I'm curious. Maybe later, whenever you guys want.
Yeah.
Kung ano yung... Kasi feeling ko, meron ka nang masasabi.
Yeah, kasi...
Or do you want to talk about it now or later pa?
Well, I don't have any context about
Yeah, which
what
is perfect.
happened. So, yeah.
Yung, kasi kanina parang nagtanong kami about this sa house. I mean, dito sa studio. So parang kami medyo alangan pa kami itanong kasi dito kami. So, ayun, sabi ni Antoinette, meron daw dito na mga ano ba?
Don't get specific.
Yeah.
So-
Parang mga something na meron daw. Merong mga parang anything. Ano ba? Hindi ko alam kung ano term na sasabihin pero
Yeah, but so I'm curious to
kung meron
to
ka
see
bang
if when you arrived, if you
na-feel or
felt
anything.
or saw anything.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. How would you describe them?
Should I?
Are you guys okay with this? Is this stressing you out? James looks like he's about
Ganun sa
to.
kanina.
Oh, buddy. Are you okay?
At magbabalik ang Hindi, siguro mamaya natin pag-usapan.
Okay.
For now, siguro Prey, naalala mo ba yung mga last time na parang meron ka pang gustong i-share na scary experience mo? Pwede mo bang i-share ulit?
Oo. Pero this time, promise, hindi ka na ikakat off ni James.
Yung iba naman yung bukod dun sa may sa may previous episode.
Okay, I think hindi ko masyadong nakwento yung about sa elementals. So, for listeners, elementals, ito yung mga kapre, duwende, fairies, balang, ganun. So, ready ka na ba?
You okay, buddy?
Okay, go.
Bakit ganun? Parang ayaw niya naman ata makinig.
Hindi, kasi basta ituloy mo na lang. Wala.
I think I stressed them out too much with my kwento.
Nasakto mo kasi na yung unang dalawang pag sinabi niya.
Hindi na
Sige, go. Ituloy mo lang.
Bakit?
Hindi, wala.
I wanna know first.
Hindi, sige, later, sasabihin ko kung bakit. Pero, ano yung kwento about elementals na na-miss namin last episode?
Okay.
I mean, oo.
Okay. Sige. So, I'm gonna repeat dun sa, for
Or
context
tell
lang.
me.
Ah,
Because
yeah.
I've never heard it.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, nag-transfer kasi kami nun sa province. So, wala akong experience with elementals and actually hindi ko nga alam yung existence nila in the first place. And
Sorry, when was this? Like you
I
were
think
a kid?
I was around 7.
Very, very young. Okay,
Yeah,
okay.
7 ata.
Mm-mm.
And then, nung time na yun, yung first encounter ko, duwende.
Okay.
So, yung duwende, nakita ko siya dun sa room ko.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it was really small.
Okay.
I was like, I remember parang may ginagawa ata ako noon. I was parang reading something. I cannot remember exactly. Tapos tinawag ako ng mom ko. Tapos yun, parang sinabihan niya ako na huwag ka muna umalis. Tapos parang it's my first encounter na, oh my God, ano tong voice na to? Yeah, it was really small.
The voice was small. Pero hindi mo siya nakita.
Nakita ko din siya.
Okay. Anong look niya?
Parang ganito siya kalaki.
Okay.
Like, paano ba?
Siguro like small doll.
Yeah.
Like a 1 foot.
Yeah. Yun.
So may pointy hat situation or no, just like a tiny person?
More on colors.
Okay.
Iba-iba yung colors nung na-encounter ko ng mga duwende before. I told them last episode na they're green.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, white. Different
brown
colors. Yeah.
I think there's also black and...
Yeah, I don't like the black one.
Yeah, they're stressful.
Yeah,
okay.
They are.
Sorry, guys.
Yun. So, it was my, first encounter sa mga duwende. And then, after ilang months na nagstay na kami sa province, ito na, aasaran na naman nila ako.
Bakit?
Kasi, 3 kasi yung ko before, parang yaya.
Okay, good for you.
Yes, pero
Achieve.
not because mahirap ako alagaan. It's not that.
Okay.
Kasi nagre-resign sila. So, yes, parang wala nakakatagal ng swerte na siguro 1 month.
Oh, why?
Kasi nga, they always get scared.
You're a creepy kid.
Yes, I say things. I say things talaga. So,
you say things.
Yeah, I say
like
things.
What?
Like,
you have 10 days. What?
No,
What do you mean?
It's more of like,
if you don't replicate this videotape, you will die in 7 days.
It's more of like,
No,
it's more of like, okay, may kasama tayo, ate. Tapos i-describe ko na, medyo duguan siya ngayon.
Oh, dip.
Yeah, that's sobrang, yes.
They're just like, I don't get paid enough for this.
Yeah, so parang sila, what do you mean? Tapos paglingon nila, okay, nakita ko na din, okay, ma'am, sir, alis na po ako.
Yeah.
Ganon. But yeah, yung parang next encounter ko naman, with like manananggal.
Okay.
Ano siya, nakita ko talaga yung itsura niya. Sobrang dami niyang ngipin.
Okay.
Tapos, like, tumutulo talaga yung blood niya from dun sa...
Dun sa hati niya?
Yeah, hati niya. Ganun. Tapos, I don't know what to do that time. Kasi parang sabi ko lang, okay, patuhin natin ng bawang. So, pinato ko, tas asin, tas parang tinatawanan lang ako. So, lumingon ako dun sa mga yaya ko. Sabi ko, parang hindi naman umaalis. Tapos parang sila like super stressed na sila na parang magre-resign na kami bukas. Tapos parang ako, aalis din naman sila eh. Huwag kayo umalis. Parang ganun yung encounter ko nung bata ako. And then, even kapre, nakakita din ako. But yung hindi ko nakwento sa inyo last time na was the vampire. So, for me, it was like vampire. Of course, like, hindi naman talaga natin mako-confirm if yun talaga yung nakita ko. But, nung first encounter ko sa kanila, merong sobrang laking bat na lumipad. Tapos, like, nasa kami noon, nasa may dirty kitchen kami. Pag, like, kumakain kami noon, kasama ko yung parents ko. Paglingon ko, nakita ko talaga may face yung bat. Sabi, asa nag-slow mo? Tapos, parang kami ng mom ko, nagtinginan kami na parang, nakita mo din yun? Tapos, yun, after nun, pumasok kami dun sa room. And then, parang napansin namin na ang daming visitor ng mga elementals ever since na lumipat kami dun.
Okay.
Then, yung next encounter ko na dito sa vampire na to was around, I would say, 2nd year college. Nag-visit yung friend ko from Manila. So, syempre, hindi niya alam na ganun sa province namin. Kumakain kami nun sa dirty kitchen and then dumaan yung same vampire na yun. Tapos nakita niya din yung face. Tapos muntik na siya mahimatay.
Ano yung itsura nito?
Oo nga.
Bata o matanda yung mukha?
For me, mukha siya. I remember it was like a face of a guy.
Okay.
And medyo kulubot yung face niya.
Napanood niyo na ba yung What We Do in the Shadows?
Hindi pa.
Nakikita ko lang.
May scene kasi doon, pero comedy yung scene na nag-turn siya into a vampire, pero mukha niya pa rin. Pero
okay.
yun yung naaalala ko.
I've never seen that, but probably pwedeng ganon. So, ayun, na-realize ko din nung time na yun, like growing up, kasi nga yung mga yaya ko and other friends as well, nakakakita sila every time they are near me.
Mm-hmm.
It's like na-activate yung third eye nila.
Yes.
Ay, walang aalis. Hindi, pero ngayon kasi hindi na ako ganun. Like, mas grounded na ako.
Yeah, that's good.
Yes,
it's you not controlling your abilities. Yeah.
Like, I'm more cautious now, especially dun sa mga people na, syempre, they don't ask for it naman eh. So, ayun, mas chill na ako ngayon.
Meron akong may kilala ka rin ba na katulad na gano'n na parang may third eye sila and then when they're near...
Yeah, that happened to me on my show.
Maganda. Pag-usapan natin yan mamaya. Kasi
Sure.
parang nabanggit mo yan last episode na parang...
Ay, ito ba yun? Ito
Oo.
ba yun?
Yeah.
Okay, my gosh.
So, up to you when you wanna talk
Sige,
about
mamaya.
Sure.
Tatandaan ko yan. Pero
Ano?
ay, wala lang. Hindi. Matanong ko lang, pre, nakakita ka na ng vampire na nagpa-podcast?
What?
Huh?
Hindi pa. Wait lang, ayusin ko yung twelyo ko.
Oh my God.
Tapos naman na siya, hindi ko naman
Kahit na
nakinati.
tito din ako, gano'n.
His name is James Love.
Oo. Anyways, naalala ko na kung ano
Ladies
pala yung story na naputol. Yung parang gustong marinig sana ng mga viewers pero hindi mo natuloy ikwento. Actually, yung kwento na ito is ginawan mo siya ng video sa iyong TikTok ata or Instagram.
Oh, I think I remember. Is it about the Polillo
Yan.
Island?
Gusto namin marinig yan.
Like, in detailed?
Oo. Antoinette, actually, parehas tayo. Tatlo na first time lang din ito
Okay.
maririnig.
Game.
Hindi niya pa na-discuss.
Game.
Okay. So, I remember I was around siguro 12 ata, 12 years old. Sorry, I cannot remember the exact age ko nun. Sinama ko nung parents ko sa Polillo Island because I think meron silang event nung time na yon. So, yun. Meron din akong kasama nun, 2 friends din, and ka-work nila yung dad ko. So, medyo mas older sila sa akin. Ako yung medyo parang bata pa nun. So, alam mo yun, like mas aware sila sa nangyayari. Pagdating namin dun sa place, oh my God, bumabalik tuloy ako dun. Nakikita ko tuloy ngayon. Sige, focus ako para maalala ko talaga. Yeah. I remember yung place, sobrang lumang bahay. Alam mo yung sa vegan? Mas luma pa dun. Mas luma pa dun yung vibe nung place. Tapos, sabi ng parents ko, dito tayo tutuloy. I told them na, nope. Sabi ko, no, ayoko dyan.
May
Tas
tao
parang,
sa loob?
I mean, nakikita ko kasi from the outside na parang the place, it's really heavy. I feel like madaming namatay. Ganon. Pero syempre, hindi naman nila sinasabi sa akin nung time na yun kung anong history ng place. It's just, inassume na lang ng parents ko na, okay, you know, baka nag-iinarte lang ako. Ayaw ko na pumasok.
Pero nung pumunta kayo doon, may tao sa loob?
May mga tao, but I'm seeing other things.
Not accounting yung mga ayaw ko ding makita. Pero may mga tao sa loob o walang laman?
May mga tao that time. Pero, parang, sige, I'm gonna be more specific. Yung tao kasi is, yung nandun sa pinto, yung nagwa-welcome sa amin. So, sino yung mga nakikita ko sa second floor? Sino yung kumakaway sa akin?
Pero
Matanda.
generally, parang walang laman.
Shoot.
Walang laman. Wala talaga. As in, like, zero. So, nung time na yun,
May kumakaway sa yung matanda.
Yeah, may kumakaway sa akin matanda. May, dito sa may right side.
So, they're seeing you too.
Yeah, they're seeing me too. And then there's like...
So parang parang vegan nga. Walang laman eh.
Yeah.
Di ba vegan? Walang laman.
Ay, okay.
Hindi, joke lang. Sige, ituloy mo na baka makabasher ako.
Ayan. Tapos, mayroon ako nakitang I remember like an old lady din. Dun sa may left side. So, ayan, nare-remember ko sila clearly ngayon. Ito sobrang specific. Di ko kasi ito kinuwento ng ganito ka-specific that time. And then, I saw a guy. Medyo binata pa siya nung time na yun. So, sinabi ko sa parents ko, ayoko pumunta. Sino itong matandang kumahuway? Tinuturo ko. Tapos yung mami ko, parang, okay, wag na maingay. Kasi nga, parang for my parents, like, ang rude nun na bakit ko pinopoint out yun. Pero, yun, pumasok pa din kami. Pagpasok namin, nakikita ko, yung mga tao, like, they're walking inside. Pero, alam mo kasi kapag spirits na yung naglalakad like, you can feel them, you can see them. So, it's like nagko-coexist ako sa kanila nung time na yon. Hindi ko pa naman controlled yung abilities ko. So, it was very intense moment for me. So, we went up, nagsabi ako sa parents ko na, okay, matutulog muna kami. Dinala nila kami doon sa isang room. Pag akyat namin ng hagdanan, may isang kwarto na katapat yon. We went inside and then I remember there was like parang poster nakalagay Chemical Romance.
My Chemical Romance?
So
For
sabi
real?
ko, yeah.
I mean, I love me some Gerard Way moments.
Yeah. And then pagpasok ko dun sa room, medyo malaki naman yung bed. So sabi ko, okay, like I think a guy to, room to ng guy. So, yun yung na-feel ko. Kasi parang meron din ako mga nakitang stuff ng pang lalaki nun. So, yung kasama ko na dalawang girls, yung, I'll just call them mga ate ko, natulog sila. Like, humiga sila. Alam mo yung paghiga mo din sa bed? Diba usually, minsan namamahay ka, like nag-a-adjust ka pa. Pero I remember, pagkahiga nila, as in, wala pang 5 minutes, natulog sila.
Good for them.
Yeah, pero gets naman, kasi mahaba din yung biyahe namin.
Sana
But,
I know, right?
yeah, but, yung crazy part is hindi ako makatulog nung time na yun. So, sabi ko, anong meron? Medyo kahapon to And then, I tried closing my eyes. And then, the last thing that I saw and I felt there was a hand sa forehead ko and just trying forehead parang hanggang dun sa hair ko tinatry niya
Parang hinahele ka to sleep.
Yeah, hinahele niya ako to sleep.
Kaya pala may MCR. Helena.
Maybe.
Helena.
That was a good one. Good job, buddy.
At saka ang isa pa, Ghost of You, di ba?
Ayun. So, that was my first encounter. And then, after nun, I told my mom, sabi ko, Ma, alam mo ba, may guy na nag-hello sa amin. Tapos parang siya, na-alarm siya. Ano sinasabi mo? May nakapasok sa room niyo. Sabi ko, ewan ko. I feel like it was parang spirit. Ganon. Sabi niya, okay, baka ano lang, like, meron ka lang nakita somewhere. So, tinatry niyang tinatry niyang i-avoid yung topic.
Sure.
So, second day, nakikita ko naman sa peripheral ko, dumadaan na yung guy. So, I felt na parang, gusto niya akong kausapin.
Right.
Pero hindi ko siya kinausap.
Okay.
Third encounter ko, this was the third day already, dun sa katabing room nung guy, yung sa may Chemical Romance, parang...
Let's call him Gerard.
Sige, si Gerard na
Si Gerard.
Okay. Meron akong napasukan na may rocking chair yung room. So, in-assume ko na, ito
Rocking chair.
Sabi ko, okay, ito ata yung room ng lola na nakita ko.
Oh, okay.
And then, when I went inside, you can feel that there was someone sitting dun sa may bed.
Okay.
And then, when I looked, someone was sitting up.
Who was it?
It was the lola na
Okay.
nakita ko. So, nung time na yun, medyo adjusted na kasi ako a
Sure.
little bit sa mga mumu. So, I was like, okay, dito lang po ako. Mag-open lang ako ng mga cabinets. So, inopen ko yung cabinet and then I saw a death certificate.
Oh, damn.
Yes. And then, yung death certificate, it was name ng isang guy.
Okay.
So, yun, tinandaan ko na lang yung name, binalik ko ulit. And before ako umalis, nakita ko, like, nagmo-move yung upuan.
Oh,
On its
nag-rock.
own. Yeah, nag-rock siya on its own. So, nung night na yun, I told yung may-ari ng bahay na, meron po ako nakitang death certificate, ganyan. Very upfront kid. I'm sorry.
And then they were just like, this meddling
Yeah,
kid.
and natawa naman siya. Sabi niya, okay. That's my son.
Oh, no.
Yeah, that's my son. He died 2 years ago. And yung room na iniistayan nyo is sa kanya.
Great.
So, sabi ko, okay. Actually po, very mabait. Pinatulog niya po kami the first day. And then, natawa na lang siya. Kasi, parang sabi niya, ganyan talaga siya kahit sa mga kapatid niya. So,
Pero wait, question.
Yeah.
Si Son, his passing ba was like a self-managed passing?
eto na.
Okay, great. Okay, go on, please.
So, on...
These guys are so stressed.
Okay, sa last day, nasa CR ako noon. Nasa ground floor kasi yung CR. So, nag-shower ako. And then, meron kasing pipe doon sa may CR. Like, medyo malaking pipe. Tapos, marinig mo na parang may tumutunog. Na parang may chain.
Okay.
Chain. So, I was like, ano ba yan? Like, ang ingay. Then, may someone was knocking, like, rapidly dun sa door. So, sabi ko, wait lang, may tao. And then, tuloy na naman. Tapos, kasabayan dun sa chain. And then, may nagna-knock. And then, I open. Sabi ko, wait lang. Pag open ko, walang tao.
Okay.
So, when I close it again, may nagna-knock na naman. So, I don't have a choice but, tapusin ko na lang agad yung shower ko, then lumabas ako. And then, nung nandun na kami sa port, pauwi na kami nun ulit sa, pabalik na kami nun sa house. Kasabay namin yung isa sa mga kakilala nung may-ari. Sabi ko, alam niyo ba kanina, ang rapid nung knocking dun sa banyo. Pagbukas ko, wala naman tao. Sabi niya, sige sabihin na namin. Doon nag-suicide. Yes. Nag-suicide pala yung guy dun sa, sa bathroom. And then yung chain na naririnig ko, ginamit niya lang is basically a chain. And
damn.
Yeah, that was the thing na I heard nung time na yun. And then, yung knocking na mabilis is yun yung time na parang they were trying to open it. So, parang binalik ako dun sa time na yun.
It was an echo.
Yes, but for me now na mas, alam mo yun, like, naiintindihan ko na yung mga nangyayari. For me, it was...
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. For me, it was, a message lang, I guess, na siguro he just wanted to, like, share what happened to him.
Maybe, because he probably knew you were already sensitive.
Yes. So, ayun, like, I didn't really, parang...
Yeah, I don't know what's going on with them.
Are you guys okay?
Hindi, wala. Akala ko.
May naririnig kasi kami.
May narinig kasi ako kanina.
Na?
Parang, ganun din.
Dito.
Can I say something?
Hindi, sige. Hindi, ituloy mo lang.
Sure.
Kwenta mo.
Go ahead.
Sorry. I think, baka, hindi ko pa sure ha. Either yung spirit doon or maybe here, I don't know. Diba, siguro advice ko, like, alam ko nakakatakot, pero relax. Kasi I think they're trying to scare you lang. Medyo pinagtitripan lang kayo.
Yeah, because you guys are, I think kasi nakakatawa kayong mag-react. So, parang
Yeah.
pag nakakatawa kayo mag-react, mas natutuwa sila sa reaction nyo.
Yeah,
So you're like, oh, these guys look fun to play with.
ayan, no, yun, exactly.
Tama ba?
Yes,
Oh,
yes,
cool.
yes.
Mm-mm.
Ayoko na lang ulit mag-talk. But
Sige
yeah,
ba?
natutuwa lang sila sa inyo.
Yeah.
Sige, babaliwalain
It's
ko na
funny
lang.
you say that. Okay, but later.
Yeah.
Kahit ramdam ko na parang may nakasakay na sa balikat ko.
Alam mo,
Wala naman.
kanina ang sakit ng ano
Sige,
ko.
sakay ka lang dyan. Oo. Sakay ka lang dyan. Upo ka lang.
Wala naman sila dyan.
Sige. Oh,
The ones here are not the type to do that.
Okay.
Okay.
From what I feel.
Yeah, pero, yeah.
I think they just find you funny.
Yeah, I think so too.
Relax, relax. Relax na.
Hindi, actually na pinapakiramdaman ko kasi.
Gusto niyo ba horror house ha?
Oo nga eh.
Oh,
Parang,
no, I'm good.
parang nagbago na isip ko. Hindi
Gusto
na-
niyo mag-horror house? Meron sa Paranaque, di ba?
Yeah,
Yeah.
we tried it.
Talaga?
It's a nightmare sa
Oh.
Manila.
I know.
Musta?
Literal
Init.
haunted house.
Oh, no.
Joke lang.
Hindi. Yung pinuntahan ko for fun.
For fun.
Pero yung tinutukoy ni Prey na gusto namin subukan is talagang ghost exploration.
Oh,
Have you
cool.
tried something like that?
No, and I don't want to.
Yeah, actually, parang ako, pag pinapanood ko,
Hmm.
it looks exciting. Pero parang feeling ko pag ako'y nandun, okay.
Alam ko na kasi, parang kinikwento ko nga kay Prey kanina. Alam ko na yung limits ko. And
yeah.
alam ko na kapag kung alam kong may mumu sa basement, hindi na ako bababa ng basement, di ba? Kasi alam mong nandun siya.
Oo.
So, kapag alam kong BV yung place or BV yung bahay, batsy na ako. I'm goods na. I don't have anything to prove to anyone. I'm not hunting for anything.
Ito yung mga nagsusurvive sa mga horror films.
Oo.
Ako yung final girl.
Siya yung siya yung final girl. siya yung tipong tatabunan ng towel.
Okay.
Tapos nakaupo siya sa may ambulansya. Kasi di ba final
Ako
girl?
na yung nandun.
Oo.
Tapos
Kaso pag tingin mo sa likod, nandun na naman nakita mo sa malayo yung
naghihintay na.
Oo. Kasi may part 2 yung yung palabas mo.
Yeah. Pero yun, like pag haunted house, ako na yung, actually yun yung extent of any ability ko. Ayokong makakita, ayokong makarinig, ayokong may nagta-touch whatever sa akin. Pero gusto ko, siguro yung na-retain ko lang is, nafe-feel ko kapag bad vibes.
Okay.
Tapos pag nafe-feel ko na bad vibes, ako na yung sabi, parang medyo hindi fresh dito. Halika na.
At saka bakit ka pa ghost exploration? Eto na Araw-araw mong
Tsaka very, kapag may negative na anything, medyo intense ako na-affect eh.
May question pala ako.
Ay,
Yeah.
sorry, wait lang. Sorry, Prey, natapos mo ba yung mo?
Sorry.
Yung story mo? Natapos na hindi pa?
Tapos na siya.
Natapos na, okay, good.
Ayun, ako na.
Hindi, clarification lang kasi may magagalit na naman dyan.
Ano ba yan nagagalit? Huwag naman magalit,
Oo.
guys.
Mamaya. May magagalit na naman. Sabihin, pinuputol na naman yung story. Narinig nyo na, sa kanya na mismo nang galing, tapos na.
Tapos na po. Wag na po kayo magalit
Pwede na?
sa kanila. Pwede na po. Pwede na.
Okay
Ayun.
na?
Kasi
Yes.
nabanggit mo kanina na you have this feeling na you can sense like bad vibes. Does it apply to the living or
Yeah.
just okay.
Yeah, so parang hindi nga siya exclusive for non-living things. So kapag bad vibes yung tao, mabigat din siya sa akin. So madali akong ma-affect. So not na, and medyo pinagsasabihin ako before nito kasi sinasabi mapili daw ako sa tao. Ganon. Pero kasi kapag sobrang bigat yung tao, na-affect din ako. So parang hindi na siya sympathy, pero yung empathy masyadong hindi ko siya, how do you say this? There's a way kasi to block off bad energy, diba? I'm not good at that. And if kunyari may kaibigan ka tapos naglalabas siya ng mga stressful or yung mga hinanakit niya sa buhay. Ang nangyayari pala, and sinabi to sa akin nung isang nakausap ko na, I'm not really sure what she is. She knows things. So parang sinabi nilang sa akin na, do you find na, or nasabihan ka na ba before na kapag kinakausap ka ng mga tao about their problems, parang sinabihan ka ba na gumaan yung feeling nila after? And I said, yeah, that people tell me that a lot. And like, yeah, because you're absorbing it from them. And I'm like, well, shit.
Grabe.
Okay,
no?
parang nare-relate ko yan dun sa ginagawa nyo na parang may exchange of energies.
Yeah.
Diba?
Yeah, and I'm supposed to learn how to fix that, but I haven't.
And anyways, Prey, thank you so much sa pag-share ng story mo about doon sa May Polillo Island. Mamaya, babalikan natin yung iba mo pang nakakatakot na experience. Pero kasi kanina, nabanggit mo na kaya nyo yung yung ability mo na makakita ng paranormal is maging AOE, Area of Effect, na parang pati kami mahahawa. Ngayon, si Antoinette dito is meron siyang naging guest before na may ability din siya na makakita. So, meron siyang third eye. Antoinette, pwede bang ikwento mo sa amin kung ano yung nangyari nung time na yun?
So, it was a pandemic episode. So, obviously, walang in-person recording. So, this was on Zoom. Hindi naman ako nag-record ng video. So, unfortunately, I don't have the video. But, sobrang tagal ng usapan namin kasi sobrang dami niyang kwento. It's amazing. And this is the episode with Richie Ramos. And I think he was he was a spirit quester ata. And yun, we were talking episodes, kwento. Tapos ang dami niyang kwento. And nakatira pa siya sa like Cubao-ish area. So, medyo active yung area na yun. And yung house niya, one of those old-looking Cubao houses.
Oh, yeah.
So, kwento ko na lang. Yung view ng Zoom ko, yung camera niya, nakaupo siya sa desk niya. Sa likod niya is a door. Yung door sa room niya. And then sa taas, merong, alam niyo yung picture ni Jesus. Pero may light.
Sacred Heart of Jesus?
Yes. So, pero may light yung frame or something.
Catholic. Sorry.
Okay, good for you. Tapos from it's the door, it's the picture of Jesus on top. And then it's his bed, a side table, and then that's the end of the frame. So, episode, blah, 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 talking, and then my husband, si PV, siya yung sound engineer. So, he's also on the call, pero naka-mute lang siya. So, you're talking. Tapos biglang, for sobrang biglaan, from the end of the frame, dun sa may side table, merong pumasok na, for me, looked like, para siyang house helper, parang ate Inday or whatever. Tapos, ang nakikita ko lang is yung likod niya. Pumasok siya dun sa frame. Tapos, parang may kinuha siya dun sa drawer, sa side table. Parang may inaayos siya or may kinukuha siya. And yung body language niya is parang, excuse me lang po. May kukunin lang ako, mabilis. Tapos, umalis na siya. Tapos, yung nakita ko is parang, mapayat siya na babae na medyo maliit, na low pony, black hair, white t-shirt, pambahay, shorts. So, in my head, noong una nagulat ako kasi syempre nakakatakot yung pinag-uusapan namin. Sino yan? Tapos, yung husband ko, si PV, nakita ko rin na nag-react siya, na nagulat din siya. So, nakita ko, okay, nag-react siya. So, nakita niya rin, okay, I'm not crazy. We can continue. So, blah, 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 blah. And then at the end of the show, sabi ko, Richie, by any chance, was there someone else in the room while we were talking? Sabi niya, yeah, it's my partner. But the thing is, I know his partner is a guy. And I didn't see a guy. So sabi ko, okay. Kasi I saw someone who looks like this. Is there anyone like that in your house? He's like, no. At tapos tinanong ko, aside from the door behind you, meron pa bang ibang entrance sa kwarto mo? Sabi niya, wala. That's the only way in and out of my room. Tapos, sabi ko, by any chance, what does your partner look like? Baka naman. And he's like, or like, what, tsaka ano yung suot niya? Sabi niya, matangkad siyang kalbong nakasando. I was just like, that's not who I saw. Tapos yung husband ko naman, wait lang. I saw something also. But it didn't look like that. Pero pareho yung ginawa niya. So pumasok din siya from the left side of the frame. May kinuha din siya sa drawer. Pero yung look niya is, para siyang mukhang medyo tomboy look. Short boy cut. Medyo mas mataba. Nakapuruntong shorts. Tsaka striped na t-shirt. Pero pareho yung ginawa nila. Tapos parang kami ni Richie, what was that? Tapos sabi niya, I'm not sure din. Pero let's see. Sabi niya, he'll ask daw yung, meron kasi kaming at the time pinapagkwentuhan yung babaeng nakatira daw sa Calachuchi tree sa harap ng bahay nila. So, sabi niya, sige, I'll ask her tomorrow. I'll see. Baka siya yun. And the next day, parang binalikan ko siya, oh, were you able to ask Miss Calachuchi what that was about? Kung siya ba yun or parang it was someone else at the house. Sabi niya, it was her, pero sobrang curious niya kasi dahil because of the pandemic, ang daming Zoom calls na nangyayari. Like online calls. So gusto niya tingnan kung ano yung ginagawa namin. Ano ba tong bakit palagi niyang kinakausap yung computer niya. And gusto niya ring i-check kung makikita siya through the computer. Pero ayaw niyang ma-stress kami. So, pumili siya ng form na non-threatening sa amin. So, apparently, yung non-threatening sa akin is kasambahay. Tapos yung non-threatening dun sa husband ko is parang medyo tomboy look na babae. I don't know why. But, yun. That's what happened. And then sabi ko, bakit nangyari yun? I don't see things and I don't want to see things. Sinara ko yung third eye ko for this purpose. And then he was like, yeah, I forgot to tell you that when I talk to people, especially when we're talking about these things, medyo nata-transfer ko ng konti yung ability ko. Especially if that person is a bit receptive. So, yeah. That's that story.
Anong tawag sa ganung Prey? Anong tawag sa ganung phenomena? Yung ability mo is na-i-share mo dun sa taong nakapaligid sa'yo.
May tawag ba ganun?
I don't know what exactly yung tawag doon, but I was like that before. Yes. Kasi, ayun, for context, I'm also a tarot reader. Yes. So, when you do tarot readings kasi, syempre, you tap into, energies. And when you tap into energies, there are parang may level, I would say. And it really depends then kasi on what type of reading you're doing. So, for example, we're doing like past life reading. So, you're doing regression. And pag ganun, mas may matatap ka na like different, it could be entities, ganun. But, yeah, I was like that before. And then, something happened lang dun sa friend ko while we're doing a reading. It was kind of similar to that. And then yung reaction niya, she cried.
No.
Yeah, she cried na parang hindi niya kinaya yung nangyari. So from there on, I was like, okay, I'm gonna be more careful. Like, I know this is my ability, but I need to control it. Kasi, again, may mga tao na hindi naman nila inas yan. So, very respectful ako sa boundaries talaga.
I think nangyari lang yun sa akin kasi pinag-uusapan namin yun.
It
So, medyo naging mas receptive ako. Pero it's called transference.
Akala ko hotspot.
Personal hotspot.
Oo, kasi parang di ba na-share mo yung yung data mo or yung connection mo di ba?
Parang, pero alam mo, parang medyo naniniwala ako dyan na kapag pinag-uusapan nyo, parang na-attract mo. Kasi nga, di ba? Meron kaming times na
it's part of the job.
Nagsushoot pa kami sa bahay namin. Bahay ko pala. Baka isipin na naman mga dyan. Na nag-shoot kami sa bahay. Tapos minsan may mga mahuhulog na laruan.
Yeah.
Kasi yung background ko is
yung
mga
toy
action
collection
figures.
Or yung horror toys, you said.
Yes. Yun. Minsan nahuhulog na parang dati, parang iniisip ko, ano kaya pag nangyari yun, no? Parang pag ganun. Tapos may multiple events or recordings na nangyari yun na parang may mahuhulog. Tapos isang pinaka-unforgettable na nangyari was nakwento namin to kay Freya. Pero I'm not sure kung na-share namin.
Is this the one that...
With the orb?
Yes.
Yeah, may dumaan na parang hanggang ngayon hindi ko ma-explain kung ano yun.
At saka hanggang ngayon hindi pa rin namin mahanap yung episode. Lost media na siya.
Lost media na.
Yeah.
Oo. Pero hindi, meron tayong nag-comment before
Mamaya.
na nahanap niya.
Mamaya pag hindi na naka-record, subukan natin hanapin tapos ipakita natin parehas kay Antoinette at kay Pray.
Yeah.
Pero kung sino man yung gumagambala, kung sino man yung naguhulog nung laruan sa likod ni Tito Ian, ang parang pinaka-challenge ko sa inyo, try nyo sa pabango niya para makita nyo para makita nyo yung tapang niya. Kasi talagang magwawala to. Magiging Ghostbuster to ng hindi oras. Pag sa pabango niya yun ginawa.
Wag naman, baka makik-out sila nang wala sa oras.
Tapos pagbalik ko dun, wala na sa vote.
Ay,
papalitan mo talaga lahat.
Oo nga pala, ba't pala ako nag-challenge?
I know!
Oo nga pala. Tapos mamaya pag uwi mo, check mo nga sa CCTV ngayon.
Kaya nga titignan ko eh.
Baka yung mga something. Anyways, nabanggit ni Pray na tarot, tarot card reader. And ikaw ba, Antoinette, may background ka
I
rin ba?
do read, but for myself. I find it very hard to read for other people. I think it's like an energy thing. Because I'm not good at managing that. So yun, nagbabasa din ako ng tarot, but for myself. And it's more of...
So it's, pwede pala. So aaralin mo siya just for your own...
Yeah.
Pwede pala yun. I thought, I have this idea kasi na baka people are trying to learn tarot reading for others. Pwede pala.
Ikaw na lang hindi kasali sa trend ng tarot card reading. Kung hindi mo na itatanong.
Ikaw rin ba?
Parang di mo naman ako kilala.
Nag-try siya mag-tarot.
Yeah, and then actually, if masyadong, kasi tarot can be medyo complicated kasi ang dami niyang symbolism. You can start with oracle cards, which are a little bit more accessible.
Okay, ito.
And less intimidating.
Ito, siguro compared dun sa inyong dalawa, ako lang siguro yung may pinaka-kaunting knowledge pagdating sa may tarot card reading since nung nagkaroon ako ng tarot card, parang ginamit ko lang yun as a magic prop.
Okay.
Well, sinubukan ko lang mag-read pero hindi ko kaya. Paki-confirm nga kung totoo ba na ang tarot card is kailangang binigay sa'yo at hindi ka pwedeng bumili para sa sarili mo.
I don't think so.
No naman.
So pwedeng...
Yeah, you can buy your own.
I bought mine at Fully Booked.
Yeah, tarot deck. For me, siguro, ang advice ko lang is like, wag mo siyang bilhin just because maganda siya.
Yeah.
Feeling ko, parang kahit iyan yung pinaka-original looking tarot deck, if that resonates with you, yun.
Yeah. What?
Yun yung bilhin mo.
Hindi, may naririnig kasi kami. So,
sorry, ano yun? Sige, go.
Baka naman it's just me breathing into the mic.
Hindi, ganun eh. Ang bagal. Ano yung narinig mo?
Wala akong narinig. Ikaw lang. Tapos
Yeah. Are they just shitting with them?
Hindi.
No, I mean
sila. Okay.
The mumu.
Yeah.
Totoo ba na Ito, nag-change topic na lang ako no?
Hindi kasi, di ba kayo lang yung nagdataro?
What is it like?
Hindi.
Is that what you heard?
Parang ganun.
I heard it, but I think it was just someone breathing out. Relax.
Kasi hindi ako nagtataro eh. Pero meron akong taro.
This is a segue.
Hindi, joke lang.
Pakita mo nila yung tura.
Hindi, ito kasi, ano lang to. Madami to di ba dapat? Pero yung sa akin, 6 lang.
Why?
Major Arcana kasi to Pero,
wow, iba talaga. Alam niya yung Major Arcana. Good job.
Okay.
Gusto nyo, ko kayo?
Anuhin mo kami.
Ito wala. Basta. Anyways, may ko-confirm lang ako.
Okay.
Sa tarot card reading ba totoo ba na kailangan left hand mo yung ipangkakat ng cards?
Really?
Oh, no.
I have never done that.
No. I think this is my first time hearing that.
Though I think more of kanya-kanyang ritual.
Okay.
Kanya-kanyang kung ano man ang nag-resonate sa'yo, how you want to do it, whatever gets you into your mindfulness, meditative flow state.
Yes, that's true.
Ito last. Nilagay nyo rin ba siya sa red cloth?
No, it's literally on my bookshelf.
No naman. Pero there are some practices kung bakit nila nilalagay doon.
Really?
Yes.
Why?
Well, for others kasi parang for protection, for cleansing. Like, there are different ways din kasi on how you should cleanse your tarot card deck.
I just do selenite. Boom. Done.
Yes. Pero for others kasi na
Sorry, I'm lazy.
it's okay. Na-figure out ko na parang hindi sila nag-resonate with like crystals.
Why?
Kaya ako kanina pa gumaganon.
What?
Sino ba yun?
Hindi ko alam. Hindi. Imposible kasi sabay na sila nagsasalita eh.
Yeah, I'm not breathing. What?
Parang may...
I don't know what's going on.
Yes.
Naririnig mo naman?
Hindi, basta may naririnig kami
Alam mo, parang nag-knock-knock.
Hindi.
Yung nag-knock ba? Kanina pa siya nag-knock.
You okay, buddy?
I think lang, James.
Baka naman it's just the headphone creaking or something.
I think
Ay, no.
What?
Baka...
What?
Na-jigsaw moment na ako nung sinabi ni Prey yung may kumakatok.
Oo. Saan ba? Sa right side mo?
Hindi, di ba naalala mo nung previous episode?
Yeah,
meron,
no.
oo.
There was some knocking in the previous episode.
Anyways, pasensyahan nyo na yung namin, yung ina-acting namin. Kasi talagang, ewan ko.
Is there someone here?
More on, nandito siya.
Oh, okay.
And then sa left side ko. So, wala dyan. Pero feeling ko, tinatry ka lang yung i-tap. Okay lang yan. Mabait naman siya.
I promise, the ones here are very nice.
Ayun, eto na.
They're lovely.
Mukhang ito na yung perfect time para Pops, tanungin natin si Prey kung ano ba yung mga...
Ano yung mga
na-sense.
nafe-feel mo dito?
Sige, for confirmation. Because we have been told, I don't see, but I know they're here.
Yeah.
And I've been told by other guests.
Okay.
Yes.
Are you guys okay?
Okay lang, sige.
Do you want a pillow?
Hindi.
A snack?
Okay na isa't isa.
Well, kanina, ang cute nga eh. Kasi, di ba late?
Yeah.
Ako. So, hindi ko mahanap yung
Place. Yeah.
And then, yun, sabi niya,
Oh, that's
ginaganan
so
niya ako.
nice.
So sabi ko, okay. Like, okay, dito yun. Tapos, kanina...
Anong look nung gumagano?
It was, I was in the car. So I mean, I just saw the hand. It was just
Are
a
you
hand.
sure it wasn't our intern?
No.
Okay.
No. Kasi kaya ako nahanap. Nag-doorbell ako. Tapos pagpasok ko, doon nila ako na sinalubong yung intern and then the other girl. Yeah.
Okay, so sa labas pa lang ng bahay, kinaganan ka na.
So sabi ko, okay doon. Kasi doon may space.
That's so nice.
Yeah, they're so nice. Actually nga, kanina din eh. Nung
Okay, buddy.
Parang paano naging nice yun?
Yeah, kasi
Hindi,
tinutulungan ka.
They're very supportive of our business.
Yeah.
Uy, alam niyo ba, not everyone ganun ka.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah, not everyone. Tapos, kanina, di ba pagpasok ko, pansin nyo, naka-close lang yung eyes ko.
Yeah.
Kasi, sobrang chill nung spirits. And, alam mo yung parang inaantok ka.
Yeah.
That's why, hindi ako inaantok. It's just them.
It's very relaxing.
And then, pansin nyo, nandun ako sa gilid.
Yeah.
As in, magkakatabi kami.
Akala ko nga nagnanap kayo.
No. It's more on like, lumalapit lang sila sa akin.
Oh,
Na parang, hi, ganon. I heard muna yung mga voices na parang, hello, hi, ganon.
Oh, little guys.
Yes. Tapos, may mga
This guy is about to like have a heart attack or an
may mga
aneurysm.
children.
Kids.
Yeah, I saw some kids.
Human kids or like
Sorry?
duende?
Like, I think they're spirits maybe.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. I also parang felt like parang 4 to 5 yung mga spirits, I think. Hindi ko pa siya ma-confirm kasi hindi lahat nagpakita. Kanina lang talaga, parang very welcoming yung energy nila. Yeah. Kaya sabi ko, meron, pero hindi siya threatening. It's more of like, very supportive sila kapag gusto nila yung mga guest. Kaya nga, meron silang shinare sa akin kanina. I don't know if this will resonate. Sure. Pero parang may narinig ako kanina na pag daw hindi nila gusto yung guest, apparently, ang daming nangyayaring mga technical difficulties.
Sometimes, yeah. Or when the client is a little bit difficult.
Yeah.
Parang difficult na nga yung client, ang dami pang things going wrong.
Yeah.
So, I mean, guys, could you be a little more helpful on that?
Pero pag ganun daw, parang ayaw lang nila yung vibe.
I know, but we have to make money, you guys.
Yeah. I think you can offer them something. They like sweets.
They really do.
They like sweets.
No, that one we know.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, we've done it before. Yeah, so yun nga, we have we call them our housemates, and parang we parang more of inaccept na namin sila as this is both our space. You be chill, we be chill.
I have a question.
Yes.
It's been a while since I saw some duende.
Yeah.
I saw some, like, it was, okay lang ba kayo?
Sige.
It was yellow, it was yellow and green.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, they were outside.
Yeah.
Yeah, ala lang. It's so cute.
They're really nice.
Yeah, it's so cute.
They're really nice. So this whole area where we are now, up until the outside, used to be a garden kasi. So this is, all of this is their space. And yun nga, we built. Pero, we're very open naman na this is our space. We respect you. We're not kicking you out. So just chill, enjoy. We'll have clients from time to time. If someone breaks something or does something not nice, we'll like leave out some chocolates.
Yeah.
They apparently like imported chocolates. These fancy bitches.
Grabe, no?
Yeah.
Pero feeling ko, pag siguro, like may mga big recordings na, okay, kailangan chill.
Yeah.
Feeling ko bigyan nyo na in advance. Para di sila makalit.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, kanina kasi parang kaya sila siguro medyo kalingi sa akin kasi medyo madami silang ina-ask daw from you. Kaya nga I was asking like,
Oh no, I'm sorry. What do they want?
yeah, chocolates daw before recording.
Okay,
If you
sure.
Don't,
Cool.
May Gcash ba sila?
ay hindi, gusto lang nila mga chocolates.
Okay.
Oh, we do have. Okay. Would you like? Okay.
And some are asking for just water.
Water?
Yeah, water lang.
Sure.
Ayun.
Sure.
So
No
water
problem.
and yeah. And also someone is asking for orange. I don't know why.
Oranges?
Yeah, orange.
Sure.
Yeah, yun lang.
Sure. That's okay. This is not a strange request. Somebody once asked for galapong and mungo.
Okay. Pag mayroon pa later, I'll tell you.
Sure. Just let me
Kanina
know.
it's just like, kanina nakapikit ako. So sabi ko, kadadating ko lang, hey, parang tanong mo, ganyan-ganyan. Sabi ko, wait lang, ganun.
Dearest housemates, one at a time, form a line.
Grabe. Actually, pre, yun yung reason kung bakit parang, di ba kanina kinukulit mo kami na, ano nga yun? Bakit? Ano ba yun? Kasi alam namin na itong studio na to is dating garden and may something. Kaya parang nagkukulit. Yung kanina, naalala mo yun, yung kinukulit mo kami na, ano yun? Bakit? Ano nga yun? Yun yung reason.
Tapos nagulat pa ako kanina nung sinabi niya na elementals. Yung unang dalawa niya pang sinabi, sabi niya, kapre, duwende. Sabi ko, tapos naalala ko, tikim pa yung dalawang sinabi.
Yung kapre dun sa labas?
Yun.
Where did you find him?
Nandun lang siya, nakatambay.
Sa tree.
Yeah, sa tree.
Yeah, it's his tree. That's why the smoking area is there.
Yeah.
Is he still happy that the smoking area is there?
Yeah, okay naman
Okay
siya.
naman, chill lang
naman
siya.
Kasi kanina, parang pagpasok ko, like, wala kasing tao naman sa labas. So,
Yeah.
I smelled like, parang yosi. Basta ibang amoy. Iba yung amoy. Basta may usok ganun. Tapos familiar siya. Tapos pagtingin ko, nakatingin lang siya. Tumango lang siya. Sabi
What's
ko,
up?
hello!
Yeah. Kaya din namin nilagay yung Yossi area because we thought he would like some company.
Yeah. Okay naman siya.
Yeah.
Ayaw niya lang din talaga pag nagkunyari yosi kayo dun sa tapon. Oh
Ay,
my
nako.
God.
We also hate that.
Oo,
Pero,
ayaw niya
yeah.
din. So, question, di pa kasi ako nakakapunta din sa
Sure.
area na yun. May lalagyan ba kayo ng parang
Ng-
mga yosi?
Yes.
Okay, parang yung bilin
Ashtray.
niya naman, parang pumunta ako dito para magsabi ng mga bilin ng mga...
Thank you very much.
It's okay. I mean, if that's okay too.
Yeah.
Okay pa ba kayo, guys?
Hindi, okay lang. Pakiramdam namin kami yung yung dalawang YouTuber doon sa may Insidious. Alam mo yun? Yun, diba? Yung dalawang lalaki.
Yung horror yung niche nila.
Oo, sa social media.
Pumunta sila
tapos
dun.
parang na-trap sila dahil napasama sila sa mga
Sa
legit.
totoo.
Oo, sa mga legit.
Oh.
Parang ganun yung pakiramdam namin.
Parang,
Anong gagawin natin?
Pucha, hindi ko alam na totoo na pala to.
Ano yung gagawin natin?
Pero interesting. Sige. Tell me more later. Pero sige, magsha-shopping na po ako ng chocolates. Anong gusto nila? Galing SNR? Ganon?
Grabe.
So lang nila imported.
Yeah.
Oo. Kasi parang...
Chocolate? It's not gonna cut it? No?
Yun nga. Alam niyo kanina, di ba, pumunta kayo sa tindahan. Kaya, alam niyo ba, pinapasama ako. Tapos parang ako, wait lang, hindi pa ako familiar dito. Like sabi niya, bili mo kami ng ganun. Sabi ko, wait lang. Tapos parang, di ba tinanong niyo ako if I want something? Sige na, okay lang. So pumikat na ulit ako.
Nagpapabili sila sa'yo?
Yeah.
Guys, I'll do it. Nakakahiya naman sa bisita.
No, it's okay.
Grabe.
I think maybe it's their, I don't know, first time ulit na maka-meet ng ganito. Ano
Okay.
ba ako? Joke lang. Pero it's fine. Mas okay sa akin yung ganito.
Okay.
Yeah, kasi...
Hindi ka naman na-stress?
No, not at all. Naho, yung mga experiences ko, yung tipong ginagrab yung arm ko.
Oh, no.
Medyo madami. Yeah.
So sila naman, they're just like, hi, hello.
Yeah. Very chill.
Pwede ba akong magtanong? What's the most stressful? Similar. Like, if stressful experience
You
na.
don't have to ask. You're our co-host.
Oh.
You can take over.
Out na kayo.
Biglang
Ako na bahala.
Actually, kaming dalawa dito, parang na lang to, for branding na lang. Ito na yung silbi namin dito kayo naman.
Pero yun, I'm curious, ano yung pinaka like stressful experience mo na pumunta ka sa bagong space tapos as in sobrang boom in your face?
I guess yung nag-astral projection ako sa new place. Kasi syempre, I don't know the area pa. Tapos bigla akong aalis dun sa body ko.
Yeah.
And then, I'm gonna roam the place. And then, I'm gonna discover a lot. Tapos especially if magstay ako dun for quite some time. So, yun yung mga stressful moments for me. And sometimes, kapag nagigising na lang ako sa some parts ng bahay, hinihigit ako.
Ano?
Hinihigit nila ako.
What do you mean?
Hinihila.
Hinihila nila ako, yeah.
Oh.
Yes. Yeah. But, that only happens kapag may very, very strong entity.
Right.
Yeah.
And is the entity like a former human or like something else?
I think something else.
I see.
If I'm gonna be more specific, I think demonic.
Right.
Yeah.
Right. Kasi pag former human, very rarely naman that they actually
Yeah.
inflict harm.
Yeah. Yes. I think I've mentioned this before sa isang podcast din. I've experienced like seeing parang ano siya an entity. It's
Ano yun? May nakikita ka na?
Go on. No.
Oh, okay. It's an entity. Tapos apparently hindi lang siya sa akin nangyayari. Like parang even sa other countries it happens too. Like may nakikita silang guy.
Sure.
And then itong guy na to like nang take over siya ng dream ng someone.
What? Okay.
Yes. Are you guys familiar?
Si Freddy. Diba? Sa Dreams.
What do you mean? Nagtitake over siya ng dream?
Yeah,
And then
parang
it's
siya.
his world now or something? What?
Hindi, parang like for example, like natutulog ka lang. And then biglang okay, mag-iiba na yung setting ng dream mo and then doon sila papasok.
Dang.
When I say sila, it's I saw this I mean I remember this dream. There was this guy and itong guy na to wala siyang hair wala siyang hair, and then I think ano siya, parang wala din siyang damit. Pero nakakatakot yung balat niya, as in super scary. And then when I looked behind him, I saw na may naka-chain na girl.
Damn.
Yes, tas parang higit-higit niya lang. And then I talked to some people who've experiencing the same thing, and then sabi nila nangyayari din siya sa other countries.
What is
Anong
that?
tawag dun?
Wait, I'll research.
Damn, that's pretty dark.
I forgot the name.
Dreamcatcher.
Meron akong meron
Dreamcatcher.
akong name
Dreamcatcher.
for him. Ang tagal ko na siyang hindi nakikita. Like, sobrang tagal na. May one time na pinaka-intense moment ko with him was dinala niya ako sa isang place. It looks like an old classroom lang.
Sure.
And then, may isa pang person na
Okay.
nag-dream ng same thing with me.
Okay.
And then, tinanong niya ako, nakikita mo din ba yung door? Sabi ko, no, I've never tried. Pero sige, pag nakatulog ulit ako, try kong pasukin yung door. So, pinasok ko yung door. And then, pagpasok ko dun sa door, it was like, alam niyo yung sa Europe na parang mga building. Yung parang very big, very old, yung itsura. Ganun yung nakita ko. And then, I saw that there were a lot of like, I would say, mga spirits to. Tapos naka-chain lang sila.
That's so sad. What's going on there?
Yeah, right? So sad. Tapos yun, nakita ko lang yun. Tapos parang,
What if it's hell?
oh my God, I don't know. I've never, parang tried going into it. Parang,
Purgatory or
yeah,
something.
lagi lang akong,
Passing through.
yeah, natutulog, tapos napupunta ako doon. Sometimes, tinatransport niya ako to different places. Tapos parang lagi niya lang ako tinitreat na, if you tried na mga ilam, like lagot ka sa akin. So, lagi lang ako tumatakbo sa dream ko. Laging ganun yung encounter ko.
Siguro for other people who have experienced the same thing, or baka na-experience nila yung same thing pero hindi nila alam kung anong gagawin. What would you advise them if they want to get out of the situation?
For me, I think it's very important kasi na parang ma-learn nyo talaga yung concept ng grounding and, centering, shielding. Kasi parang kapag, kunyari, conscious ka, like gising ka, pag alam mo na how it works, medyo malaki yung effect no na kapag tutulog ka na. Like, it's not gonna be as heavy as it is. Tapos, I think always like, put water then on the side. Kasi, ang napansin ko sa mga spirits or entities, if you put water dun sa bedside table mo, they don't parang go to you directly. But
okay na ba yung nakaganito?
I
Or does
mean,
it have to be open?
yeah, parang siya, parang sa glass siya.
Okay.
Tapos napapansin ko na lang na sinabi lang siya sa akin ng mom ko. So every time na nagigising ako, makikita ko na lang ganito na lang yung water.
Oh my God.
Yes.
Sorry, I have funny kwento.
Yeah, sure.
So yung cat ko kasi, nandun lang siya nakatira sa kwarto namin. Tapos meron siyang fountain. So, meron siyang automatic feeder, tapos may cat fountain siya. Para, andun lang yung tubig, tapos pwede siyang uminom whatever. Tapos nandun siya sa tabi ng bedside ko. Tapos nagtataka kami kung bakit ang bilis maubos ng tubig niya. Tapos parang, sobrang dami lang ba ng iniinom na tubig ng pusang to? Or parang nag-evaporate lang ba ng sobrang bilis yung tubig? I wonder if it's that.
Yeah, kasi 'di ba sabi nila, like, cats, they're very spiritual.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
But my cat's a grumpy old man.
Yeah, probably.
Pero
Hindi
yan, running water siya kasi pet fountain siya. Pero sobrang bilis maubos ng water.
Naku, baka
I don't understand
parang
why.
feeling ko may idea ako.
Ano?
Di ba yung mga duwende dito mahilig sa matatamis?
Oo.
Yeah.
Pag may diabetes ka, malakas ka magtubig.
Feeling ko nga.
Diba?
Feeling ko.
I think.
I don't think so, but sure.
Oy, joke lang guys. Joke
Maybe.
lang.
Yan.
Joke lang.
Uy, gago
Hindi.
to. Sabi niya, may diabetes
Ano sabi-
kami, diabetes.
Wait lang, ano sabi mo, di ba mahilig sila sa tubig?
Mm.
Tingnan mo yung baso na yun, kung gaano kaliit.
Oh, no, that's salt.
Ay, akala ko baso nila yan. Akala ko nila yan, yung red cup nila.
Pop salt daw, di ba?
It's blessed salt. It's one of our, home security features for
Dapat di mo na
Mumu.
pinansin.
Anyway,
Merong cup of salt in all the corners of the studio. Just for insurance purposes.
nice. Anyways, Pray, may gusto lang pala akong i-confirm about sa ganyan. Pag nag-o-offer ba ng mga pag nag-o-offer ba ng something sa mga spirit, kino-consume ba nila yon? Like physically makikita mong nababawasan?
Well, in my experience, not all the time. Sometimes yes, sometimes hindi. But it's more of ganito. Let's say, pag-check mo nung food or whatever offering man yan, and then nakita mo na hindi bawas, pag tinikman mo yun, wala na yung lasa.
Oh.
But you probably shouldn't eat it though.
Yeah. Yes, tama.
You probably shouldn't eat it.
Yes.
Medyo ako diyan. Hindi naman sa contradicting. Naalala ko lang bigla parang yung lola ko kasi as a Roman Catholic, ugali namin syempre kapag All Souls Day at saka All Saints Day is nag-o-offer sa altar. So for example, may niluluto kami, nilalagay namin sa altar.
Yeah.
Namin. Tapos yung lola ko kino-consume yun.
Huh? After?
Interesting.
Oo.
Si lola mo?
Lola ko kasi naniniwala sa namin, yung sa side namin, yung lola ko naniniwala siya na pampahaba ng buhay yun.
Oh, that's interesting.
Do you know that actually sounds Chinese?
Hindi ko lang alam eh.
Yung pamahiin na yun. Kasi di ba parang offering to the ancestors?
Tapos hindi ko lang alam kung sa Chinese ba na paniniwala is dapat bang i-consume din.
Ay, hindi ko alam.
I don't know.
Sorry, I'm
Pero
not
kasi yung lola
Chinese.
I'm so brown.
I don't.
I'm so wide-eyed.
Oh my God. She's brown.
I'm brown.
Ano pa ako? Pare.
Actually, ang explanation ko dyan, ni hao qiang fiang. Ako pala talaga yung Chinese.
We apologize to all the Chinese listeners. We do not intend to be racist. We're so sorry.
Pwede naman i-cut yun.
Wag na, it's funny.
Hindi, actually, yun nga, parang sa amin nga naniniwala. So, ngayon, kung iisipin ko, parang medyo nakakatawa lang kasi, di ba, syempre, parang naalikabukan na yun.
Oo nga, no? Baka nagapangan pa ng...
Oo. Pero mahaba rin talaga yung buhay nung ko yun.
Well, you never know. Or maybe she's just a healthy person.
Hindi kaya, may naisip ako pero hindi ko na itutuloy sabihin.
Bakit?
Cancel. Hindi,
Maka-cancel
mamaya na lang.
Okay.
Okay.
Pero in my experience, nung nag-aalay kami dito, meron kasi kaming time na, di ba maraming mga plants sa labas na maraming ugat. Paminsan merong mga kasambahay na masyadong naglinis or may na-disturb or parang, akala niya dumi, so kinat niya lahat. So merong mga residents, mga housemates namin that were not very happy. So, she got into an accident. We had to, syempre, dinala namin siya sa hospital, pero eventually, hindi na siya makamagtrabaho. So, parang kinailangan niya nang umuwi. Pero, after nung nangyari na yun, lahat kami isa-isang nagkasakit. Tapos, iba-iba yung sakit namin. Hindi siya yung tipong yung isa nagkalagnat tapos naghawahan. Hindi, iba-iba kami ng sakit. And at the same time. So, we were like, this is weird. And it seems like something is upset. So, I asked a friend na rin siya, nakikipag-communicate siya with elementals and stuff like that. Sabi niya, yeah, you pissed someone off. So, kailangan mong mag-sorry.
Yeah, that's true.
So, I was like, you know what? Who's it gonna hurt, right? So, sabi niya, anong gusto nila? Mag-alay ka ng munggo tsaka galapong mixed with holy water. And she said it doesn't work for everyone, or all different kinds of elementals want different things, but this specific one, that's what makes them happy. So I'm like, okay, wala namang problema. Munggo at galapong, mura lang yan. Holy water, kuha sa taas sa altar.
Ang hirap, no? Para palang parang pregi na naglilihi.
Maybe.
No?
Yeah.
Maybe.
Pero after, nawala.
No, so what I had to do was, I had to mix it. I put it in 2 bowls and I had to go to the vine na medyo chinop-chop ni Manang. So, tinanong ko pa siya, when I apologize, do I have to say it out loud or can I just think it? And she was like, kailangan mong i-say out loud, hindi sila psychic, they have to hear it.
That's
So I was like, damn, I'm gonna sound like such a crazy person talking to a plant. But sure,
Yeah.
why not? So I go up to the plant. Good afternoon po. Ako po si Antoinette, yung nakatira sa loob ng bahay. Pasensya na po sa nangyari. Di na po mauulit. Ito po, may konting alay lang kami. Sana magustuhan nyo. Pasensya na po ulit. Good afternoon.
Grabe.
So,
no?
sige. I'm like, I don't know if this is gonna work. But again, wala namang nawala sa akin kundi konting dignidad.
Paano pag nangyari sa'yo ganyan? Kunwari kailangan mong manghingi ng apology. Tapos na-request sa'yo seedless. Pero pag tanong mo atis, paano mo gano'n?
Oh my God.
Seedless atis.
Hirap nun.
Hindi kasi 'di ba parang ang hirap nung minsan nung request parang pregi nga na naglilihi.
So yun, ginawa namin yun. And then the next day, i-check ko daw kung tinanggap yung alay. And then parang tiningnan ko yung galapong na mixture. Mukha siyang may maliit na indents. And I don't know if it's footsteps, pero mukha siyang parang may maliit na ganun-ganun. And then may nakita akong, ants. Mga ants. They were picking up the mongo and the galapong and then bringing it up to that vine, that specific vine. So parang ginawa silang delivery service. Inaakit nila dun. So, nung sinabi ko yun sa friend ko, so this is what happened, took pictures and there were ants there. It's like they were delivering the galapong up to the vine. She's like, they really like your offering and your apology. Apology accepted. You're fine now.
Anong tawag doon?
Saan?
Doon sa... Ba't ka natatawa? Wala pa nga
Forgiveness? What do you
Hindi,
mean?
doon sa nag-deliver ng mga langgam.
Grab ant?
Lalanggam.
Oh my God. Grabe.
Alam mo
Gusto ko yan,
kanina
ha? Gusto ko yan.
That's so good!
Nung sinabi nagde-deliver, sabi ko,
Lalanggam.
Natawa na ako dun sa grab ante. Pero yung lalanggam, grabe yan. Gusto ko yung mga banat mo ngayon. Feeling ko walang maiinis.
Hindi, actually sabi niya na, sabi ni Antoinette kanina kapag may tumatawa daw, natutuwa sila.
Yeah, I think that's why they're chill. They like it when people are
Yeah.
happy.
Mamahalin
Good job.
ka na nila.
Good job. Making friends.
Kasama mo na sila mamaya.
Matagal ko rin kinimkim to. Mga 2 episodes ago.
Ay, by the way, nahanap ko na pala. Just wanted to give reference lang din kanina. Kasi I forgot the name. It's Hatman.
Didn't we talk about that?
Hatman,
No, wait.
yeah.
Who did I talk? So in my last season, I also talked to someone and they had a Hatman story.
Yes.
And then, can I ask a question? Yung Europe thing na nakita mo, where is it like a hallway with like a lot of rooms to the side?
Oh my God, I'm
Oh,
having
shoot.
goosebumps. Alam mo, like, ito nga nakita ko yung parang, gumawa kasi ako ng parang narrative dun sa dream ko. And then, nakasave siya. And then, yes, it's the hallway.
It's like a hallway with a lot of rooms to the side and then
Yes.
each room is like a different person's dream or something.
Well, hindi ako nakapunta dun sa point na yon, but I can show you later.
Yeah, I will send you the episode of the guest who told me about that kasi sobrang wild nung kwento niya.
Yeah.
And mukhang
Season ano yun?
season nyo.
This.
Yeah,
Oh.
wait. Who was the one who told me that?
Ang Hatman ba kaparehas nung entity sa Babadook?
No.
Ay, iba yun eh. Babadook.
Kasi parang may
Well, may hat din siya. Pero this one is a bit
medyo-
parang bowler hat. It's
Yeah.
not a top hat but like yung parang round na ganun.
Ay,
Yes.
naalala ko na yung Hatman na
But
yan.
alam nyo, nung nakita ko siya, diba, nagpapakita siya to like others ng, yun nga, Hatman. Pero, pumunta siya nun sa house namin. Inalis niya yung hat niya. Inalis niya yung damit niya. And then, nakita ko parang may stitches sa likod niya. And then, when he looked at me, nakita niya ako na nakatingin. Doon na nag-start yung sleep paralysis ko. Tapos, hindi niya na ako tinikilan. The first time that I encountered yung hallway, it was around July of 2021. Sorry, nakanalagay sa notes ko. Kanina.
So I had a guest with the same story and then nung ni-release ko yung episode, a former guest told me that she's also been to that hallway. So I don't know what's going on. Maybe it's some weird alien experiment. Who knows?
Sa susunod na episode, pag-usapan natin yung conspiracy theory about
The Hat Man.
About sa hallway. Actually, habang nagkukwento si Prey kanina, sorry, nakikinig naman ako. Kaso ang hirap kasi ng mga reference niya.
Bakit?
Sabi niya na, nakapunta na ba kayo sa Europe?
Sorry.
It's okay.
Tumira kasi ako dun for
Oh,
some
good for
time.
you. Saan?
London.
Oh, expensive. Very nice, but expensive.
Yeah, it is. Sorry na.
Sorry na, guys.
pare.
Nag-aral lang ako for some time.
Ako rin, pero dun sa kabilang bakod.
Oh, saan?
Sa France.
Friends.
Wow.
Yeah.
I wanna go there.
Dude,
Ako sa
isang ka
Intramuros.
makakahanap ng wine na 150 pesos pero sobrang sarap. Tapos nasa version nila ng 7-Eleven.
Wow.
Tapos it's like wine and cheese. Anyway, sorry guys.
Pero natikman mo yung Pancit Canton doon sa Intramuros.
Uy!
Ang sarap. Grabe, nagpaluto
Sorry,
ako.
may random pancit canton kwento ako nung nag-aaral ako doon.
Sige, go.
So, pag nasa Europe ka kasi, sobrang daling mag-travel. Kasi parang lahat connected ng LRT. Yung train, sobrang, tapos kapag bata ka, 50 off. So, so parang encourage talaga nila yung mga batang mag-travel. So, tipong, parang wala pang 1,000, nasa kabilang country ka na. Tapos mura pa. Tapos kung mag-hostel ka lang, achieve. Pero syempre yung pamasahe papunta doon yung masakit. Pero yung pumunta kaming, nag-train kami papuntang Belgium. Tapos doon sa tabi ng embassy, merong Filipino store. Tapos si ate, sabi niya, oy, mga Pinoy, mga anak, halik kayo dito. Anong gusto niyo? Meron kaming chocolate, meron kaming pancit canton, ganyan. Pa-finals na kami. It's like, ate, magkano yung pancit canton niyo? Tama na, mahal. Pero sabi ko, ate, kailangan ko ng pancit canton, magpa-finals na kami.
Like how much?
So, siya, parang 2 euros per pancit canton.
So,
1 euro is 60 pesos at the time. 120 pesos per 1 pancit canton. Pero sige, pinatulan ko siya because like sobrang na-homesick na ako.
ang liit pa naman ng Pancit Canton dati.
It was just like that, man.
Hindi,
I have a
tsaka,
question.
sorry.
Ay, sorry.
Yes.
Regarding lang sa Pancit Canton. Kasi,
Sorry. This is
Kasi-
not horror related
Yes,
anymore.
I'm sorry.
Okay lang.
Hindi, bago may tanong yan, naisip ko lang kaya mahal yung nabili ni Antoinette kasi ang nakalagay, Pancit Cantuan.
ay, nako.
Oo,
Gusto ko yan.
pagtingin ng spelling,
Canton.
oo, Cantuan.
Oh my
Okay,
God.
tanong mo na.
Okay, question.
Yeah, sure.
Kasi nagpansit canton din ako doon.
Yes!
But of course, not in France. Sa London.
Yeah.
Walang lasa, no? Parang iba yung pansit canton nila doon, no? Parang,
Si Ate Sari Store in Belgium, parang inuwi
Inangkat
niya from
niya.
here.
Oh.
Parang nagbalik-bayan box siya. Tapos, as in, kompleto siya. Mang Tomas, patis, pancit canton. Like,
may
Oh my
duties
God.
and taxes din yung
Ganun,
Kaya ang
Siguro.
mahal.
ganun yung
Maybe.
ganun yung corruption. Dumaan kasi pa dito eh. Bago dumating doon, syempre, pati lasa nakuha na.
okay.
anyway.
Walang lasa.
May mga ganyan nga na parang siguro may nagtatry na rin mag-manufacture doon. Kasi 'di ba, isipin mo, may Jollibee dito, may Jollibee din doon. Sabi nila iba din daw yung lasa ng
Iba
Jollibee
yung
doon.
lasa ng Jollibee doon. Not hating, but it's really different.
No, okay, I hate. Sorry. So there's some that's really good. Like London, Jollibee.
Mhm.
I have a bone to pick with Jollibee in Edinburgh in
Oh my God.
Scotland. If you're
Nar.
listening to me, your Jolly spaghetti is not jolly.
That's true.
I
that's
experienced no joy.
true. Oh my God, same.
Edinburgh also?
Yes, Edinburgh, yeah. Like yung ano doon, especially, sorry, I just wanna add, yung spicy chicken joy nyo, I know we ordered spicy,
We're just ranting about Jollibee.
but please, wag naman yung hindi makain.
Yeah.
Sobra yun.
Hindi kasi, okay, nung birthday ko kasi this year, nandun kami. Kasi may inattendan kaming kasal. So parang ako, birthday ko, mag-Jollibee kaya ako para may, chicken joy and Jolly spaghetti. Pagdating ko dun, number one, ang mahal.
That's true.
As in, tapos, yung rice, hindi included. You
That's
have to
true.
add it on the side and pay extra. So I'm just like,
Hindi
why?
siya meal.
Hindi. Hindi. Meal siya.
Hindi kasi siya
May chicken, tapos may drink, tapos walang kanin. Tapos, yung Jolly spaghetti nila, hindi nga Jolly. So, parang sobrang mas nabuburat ako. Diba? Pwede bang mag-McDo after? Naiinis ako. Yan, sorry.
Hindi, okay lang. May kukwento ako sa'yo, Antoinette, kasi kanina na parang sinabi mo na, uy, bakit niyo naman binubuli si Ray na gano'n. Actually, ang parang pinaka-backstory nun, kasi dun sa may first episode namin is, binibilang namin yung mga signs na mayaman si Prey.
Oh.
So, naka-anim kami.
Okay.
So, it's your turn.
Oh, no.
First sign na mayaman din si Antoinette is nagja-Jollibee sila sa France.
Oo.
Ano?
hindi.
Wala sa France.
Wala
sa
France.
Scotland daw eh.
Scotland.
Oh, di ba?
Hindi.
Look.
Kasi...
Pero pinakamalayong Jollibee na puntahan ko sa Iloilo.
Ay, sorry na.
Look, okay. This is what I have to say. I suffered 15 years of corporate to be able to afford that shit. I'm gonna own it.
Yeah. Hindi.
Kudos.
Paps, hindi mo na kailangan bilangin. Andito ka sa loob ng Big Baby Studios.
Pala, no? Ito, sapat ng reason.
Paps, yung ganito.
Pero,
Hindi ko alam kung kaya pa sa natitirang taong ko.
Second sign, imported yung hinihingi ng mga
Oo nga pala.
Oh.
Sa bagay, hindi, kung ako yung mga duwende, hindi na ako mag-upscale ng mga request. Yung parang, gusto ko ng imported. Ano ka ba?
Siyempre, carry. Nakita na, ay, carry na ito kahit humingin tayo.
Basta wala lang hihingi ng relos. Walang hihingi ng kotse. Carry pa naman.
Baka iba na yun. Baka may mga nagpapanggap lang. Umamin na kayo dyan. May lang, no? Ito, bagong modus natin. Magpapanggap tayo.
Hindi, pag kotse okay lang.
Ano?
Bibili lang ng Hot Wheels.
Kasi sakto na yun sa kanila.
Hindi, ayun, siguro, parang napapahaba na usapan na pupunta na naman sa kalokohan. So, ang mangyayari dito ay may bashers na naman tayo next episode.
Oh, be nice to them, you guys.
Pero hindi, sobrang na-enjoy ko yung episode na to and I'm sure yung last episode natin sobrang saya dito sa Big Baby Studio. So
thanks,
kung
guys.
gusto nyo ring mag-record dito, hindi lang to pang podcast ano pa yung ibang services na?
So mostly band recording, music recording ginagawa din namin. Pwede kami mag-record ng VO. Ngayon mayroon kaming ginagawang dubbing project. So fun. And then gumagawa din kami ng music like jingles and soundtrack for movies, film, TV, radio, mga ganon. Or kung gusto nyo gumawa ng jingle para sa brand nyo, we can also do that. Aside from, of course, podcasts.
Yun.
And saan kanila pwedeng i-reach out?
Ayun, you can find us on Facebook and Instagram at Big Baby Studios. Tapos yung pwede rin sa website namin at www.itsabigbaby.com.
Yan. Isang reminder lang sa mga pupunta dito, magdala ng imported na chocolate. Tapos, thank you rin so much, Prey. Pangalawang beses mo na dito sa The Red Door Podcast. And share ko lang sa inyo, sa mga nanonood. Last time naka-experience kami ng birth chart reading.
Yes.
Oh, cool.
Birth chart reading
You did the
from
birth
Beyond
chart?
Senses PH. Sobrang na-overwhelm talaga ako
It
sa mga...
is overwhelming.
Oo.
Overwhelming siya pero at the same time sobrang informative niya kasi may mga bagay ako na parang akala ko dun sa sign ko lang nagfo-fall. So parang parang sinabi ni Sofia sa akin na Sofia is yung birth chart reader ko nun. In-explain niya sa akin na it's not just that kasi depende sa kung ano yung birthday mo. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung ibang factors. Pero nagbigay ako ng mga information sa kanya. And then, binigay niya sa akin na merong 12 houses. And then, may parang rising. Tapos, ano pa yung isa?
Gusto ko nag-review ka. Very good.
Hindi, naalala ko kasi talaga.
Okay, sorry.
Kasi maganda yung
Rising, sun, moon. So, your rising is basically how you present yourself to people.
Is that the sun?
Ay, sorry.
The sun
that's
is
the
how
sun.
you present.
Tapos rising is how people see you.
Yeah.
Yun,
And then the moon is who you really
Grabe.
are.
Ang galing kasi parang iba-iba. Yung parang meron akong sign na Leo.
Yeah.
Na parang,
ano talaga yung zodiac sign mo?
Cancer. Oh, you're a Cancer, Leo.
Sa ML?
Oo. Cancer sa ML. Dahil Cancer, Leo, tapos meron pang part na Sagittarius doon. Na parang iba-iba, na parang...
Yeah.
I see that
actually,
for you.
na-share ko to sa friend ko. Na-share ko na, oy, Leo, yung third sign ko, Leo. Sabi niya, kaya pala.
Yeah.
Na parang siya
I see
into
that.
it din.
Medyo
Oo.
gets.
Anong house mo? Gryffindor ako eh.
House?
Ay, nako.
Hindi, biro.
House of
I'm
Baratheon.
a Ravenclaw sun and a Slytherin moon.
Grabe na. Ayun, Pray, ano pa bang mga services yung ino-offer ng Beyond Senses PH? And sa mga interesado na nanonood, paano kanila kukontakin?
Okay, so in Beyond Senses, we have different services. It's tarot reading, birth chart. So pag birth chart, we do synastry, full birth chart reading, career reading, love life reading, and we also have energy work. We do dream interpretation, echoes of before. It's mas I would say deeper yung reading natin. It's similar to past life, but it's written. It's
Like
written kasi
Akashic record?
No. It's more of like similar to how you read past life, but mas immersive siya.
Interesting.
Yes. Medyo mahabang process.
Okay.
Which is gagawin ko sa kanilang
fun.
dalawa. Yes. Excited na ba kayo, guys?
Grabe, nagulat ako kasi parang akala ko nung una, yun na yun.
Yeah.
Pero parang yun nga, sobrang informative na para sa akin. So meron pa pala.
Ako hindi kasi malalaman mo yung mga nakaraan ko eh.
Yung
Yeah,
mga
it's nice.
tinago mo na.
Yung
Pero
mga hindi
it's
ko na
nice
masabalikan.
though. Kasi parang you will know kung bakit may mga certain things ka in this lifetime na it's blocking you. Like, what's blocking you? And then it's gonna help you to understand yourself more. But yeah, so we also do events.
Cool.
Yes, we also do events. Different type of events. Even if it's like corporate, weddings, anything talaga.
What do you do for the events? Like read tarot?
Yeah. And it's different for, each brand, I would say. Some wants, astrology-based reading. Some wants numerology. And, of course, feeling ko malapit na. I'm gonna be also offering pet reading.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, kasi, yes, I really want. Kasi, alam mo yun, kapag kasi pet yung client mo, parang, like, wala lang, ang cute lang na imagine like sa isang pop-up event, makikita ko siya na, hello, ito yung pet ko, tapos nakatingin lang sa akin yung dog or cat. Diba ang saya?
If you wanna practice, my dog is available.
Okay, I will do that later.
Kaya ba nakadalawa ka na sa amin?
Oh, God.
Kasi tinuturing mo kaming
Uy, grabe, hindi
biro lang.
No. But,
Uy,
yeah.
paminsan pets are very nicely treated ngayon na. Paminsan gusto kong ma-reincarnate as a pet of a mayamang tao. Tapos chill na lang.
Actually.
That's true. Yeah. So, if
Have you met Lily ba?
Hindi pa.
Sorry.
Di pa?
I
Hindi
know
pa.
not yet.
Hindi pa.
Later. Yeah.
Yes.
Anong parang pinakatawag doon?
Which
Sa
one?
ano? May
Animal
term.
communication?
Oo, may term ba yun? Yung parang
Pet reading.
kayang kumausap ng animals.
Animal communicator?
Oo, parang-
It can be like that.
Kasi-
yeah.
Ang alam ko lang dog whisperer.
Oo, si Cesar Milan.
Oo.
Diba? Tama ba ako? Cesar Milan?
Yes.
Si Sam yan.
And then meron si something Galaxy. Siya naman cat whisperer.
Meron pa.
I forget his first name. Something Galaxy.
Si Mang Jun kaya? Seryoso, si Mang Jun dun kaya, may-ari ni Xavier. The Underdog.
Hindi, baka... Kasi di ba ang mga dog whisperer, hindi naman siya yung katulad ng ginagawa ni Prey. More on training talaga sila.
Yeah.
Pero kasi kay Mang Jun, parang kakaiba kasi siya. Parang kahit anong animal.
Jackson Galaxy.
Yan.
Yeah. Anyway, go on.
Parang kahit anong animal, kaya niyang i-train. Like baboy, ibon,
That's
pusa.
so nice.
Cool.
Baka familiar lang talaga siya sa psychology ng mga hayop.
Oo, no?
Ayan.
Can I, before I, give my, parang where to reach
Oh, yeah,
me at,
go.
meron lang akong cute kwento about, our episode last time. Kasi I've already shared na, I do pet reading. So,
Yeah.
there's this one listener from the Red Door podcast.
Okay.
I'm not gonna mention the name na lang.
Kahit hindi mo i-mention, kilala namin yan, for sure.
Sino yan?
Hindi, sige, ikwento mo kung ano
Alright.
sinabi sa'yo.
So, basically, nawawala kasi yung cat niya.
Oh no.
Yeah. So,
Baby.
I'm not gonna mention the cat's name then for privacy na lang din. Sabi niya, oh, hi, I've heard your episode last time and narinig ko na nag-pet reading ka. I just wanna give my shot. Parang gusto ko sanang parang hanapin yung cat ko kasi nawawala siya. So, nung time na yun, sobrang busy ko. Pero sabi ko, okay, hindi pa ako nag-offer but sinabi ko dun sa admin, pwede i-ask mo pa din kung, pwede i-ask mo if yung cat, yung picture ng cat niya and then anong name. So, sinan niya. So, sabi ko, okay, I'm gonna try my best. Hindi pa ako nag-offer nito but I'm gonna do it. So, tinignan ko yung picture nung cat.
Okay.
Relax, you guys. We're talking about cats.
So, tinignan ko yung picture ng cat. Tapos, sabi ko, okay, nasan ka na ngayon? Hinahanap ka ng amo mo. Tapos, sabi sa akin ng cat, actually, gusto ko namang umuwi. Kaso, parang last time ata nag-try na siya pero wala atang tao dun sa house apparently. Pero hindi ko to nasabi itong part na to sa kanya. And then, nagtatry daw siyang hanapin yung bahay niya pabalik kasi gusto niya umuwi but hindi niya daw makita. Tapos nag-note siya sa akin, pwede bang pasabi sa amo ko na pagbalik ko medyo hindi na kasi ako nakakain ng tama.
Oh no.
Hindi na din ako malinis. So, baka bumalik ako ng medyo payat na and madumi. So, alam mo yun, like nung sinabi sa akin, nung sinabi sa akin yung, parang nung cat, I told the person na, ito yung sinabi ng cat mo, ganyan-ganyan. Tapos, yun, nag-message siya sa akin yesterday.
Ano na?
Sabi niya, apparently, sabi nung kapitbahay namin, bumalik na pala siya. Pero
Sa
wala
kabilang bahay lang.
Yeah, I mean, wala lang kami. Tapos bumalik nga siya, mapayat na.
Oh no. Poor baby.
Yeah, pero I'm glad na nahanap
At least
niya na.
nahanap siya.
Yeah. But anyways, if you want to reach me, it's at BeyondSenses_PH on Instagram and Beyond Senses tarot reading services on Facebook, and also I do content. So, if gusto niyong tingnan
Where
sa
can
TikTok,
people follow you personally?
It's at Pray For Me on Instagram.
Nice. So that's PREI.
Yes. And thank you so much.
This is fun.
Yeah,
this
this
is
is
nice.
Thank you so much.
Thank you
so
then
much.
for having me and letting me make gulo your podcast.
Actually, gusto namin magpasalamat. Dalawa kami ni Tito Ian sa pag-guest sa amin. Pray and
Thank you
Antoinette.
sa host. Anong name ng podcast niyo? Gamecast
This
Manila.
has been the Red Door Podcast PH with your hosts, Tito Ian and Tito James.
Yes, thank you so much. Again, Pray Kapanan and Antoinette of Gamecast Manila. Again, my name is Tito Ian Lee.
And ako naman si Tito James Zu, kasama si Pray and Antoinette at kami ang
The Red Door Podcast PH. Bye!
Bye!
Watch out for other episodes na malay nyo.
The opinions of podcast creators, hosts, and guests are not necessarily reflective of the official stance of the Pod Network Entertainment, its hosts, or other network programs. The content created by the people behind the podcast is personal and not meant to harm any religion, ethnicity, group, organization, company, or individual.